So I'm still talking about my fan light here because I really love it. In my other videos, I've gone over the assembly and the light. Now I want to talk to you about the fan itself and how the wind of the fan, how powerful it is. Here's the fan I was using before. And listen to how loud this is. Now my other option I've used is this large box fan in my bedroom, which is really loud as well. Even if I put on the lightest setting, it does blast me away. Now I want you to hear how quiet this fan is when I put it on. I'm putting it on full speed right now. And it makes just a nice light white noise. I usually never would have it on full speed because look at my curtains. That is quite windy in here. So that's another thing. This fan is very strong. So another thing about the fan, it's on right now on speed 1. And as you can tell by my hair, I'm just sitting on my bed and it's directing right down on me. It's very cooling, refreshing. If I put it on speed 2, you can tell how much stronger that is. Speed 3, a lot more. Put it back onto speed 1 here. This is speed 1. So this fan has been great for the bedroom. It's great for office, for anywhere you'd like a fan overhead. Much better than the fan on the side of you, especially at night. I find a fan overhead of your bed is so much more comfortable. Or when I've had the fan directing from my dresser or my night table, it was not keeping me cool. I would still kick the blankets off. But now that I have this one directly over top of the bed, I feel nice and cool. I'm cuddled into the blanket, much more comfortable. So I highly recommend this fan. It's small, but it is super powerful.